This is something that you want to use a number of previous construction projects that are similar to the construction project that you're trying to execute. So that's going to be one way. A high-level way of doing it is just using the data that is historically out there. That's going to give you a good foundation of some sort of comparable. The second is sending, if you have a set of blueprints, off to get takeoffs. A takeoff is what you would send your blueprint. You'd send your blueprint off to your supplier and your vendors so that they could give a thorough analysis and write up a set of specifications and return that to you with the appropriate pricing. So that'll give you a better idea of cost because it'll determine exactly what you're trying to install and give you an exact price for that, at least at that moment when the takeoff was drafted. Lastly, using those two pieces of information and bringing it to a general contractor, preferably 3 general contractors for comparison, is another layer of protection and review for how to assess the cost of the construction project and what's involved in terms of pricing a construction project.